Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn your event details into a stunning video using RenderLion's event-to-video generator. First, sign up or log in to RenderLion.com, then head over to the event-to-video generator tool. Click Convert Event Details to Video, or, like I did, just hit the Content to Video link from the header menu. Super simple. Now it's time to add your content. I pasted in an event promo for Live in NYC, The Strokes at Forest Hills Stadium. My event details included the date, time, location, ticket pricing, and a short description. I also added 2 images related to the show to give it some extra flair. Once the content is ready, hit the Generate button and let the magic begin. RenderLion's AI will analyze everything, create a voiceover script, build text slides, and design the animated video layout. And just like that, bam! In seconds, I've got my first set of animated content previews ready to go. Now, let's talk style customization. If you've already created a brand kit in RenderLion, just hit the Style button and pick your saved style. This keeps your video aligned with your brand colors, fonts, logo, name, or avatar, perfect for staying consistent across all your content. But if you don't have one, no problem. I kept mine random for this example, and it still looks awesome. Next up, click the Sound button. Here you can choose your background music genre. I went with a random track from dance and electronic, but you can always let RenderLion's AI pick the perfect vibe for you automatically. Now, let's refine the content. Click Edit Content to dive into the details. In this panel, you can add or swap out photos, rearrange or delete images, change the text-to-speech voice. Yep, I did that too. Update the voice script. Edit each slide's text to better match your event. Once you're done, click Update, and just like that, all your changes are instantly applied to the 3 animated previews. And don't forget, RenderLion automatically creates your video in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. You can switch between preview sizes anytime. In this demo, I chose landscape, but feel free to pick the format that works best for your platform. Now it's time to let the RenderLion magic roll. Hit the New Instant Hunt button, and in less than a second, RenderLion will generate a new set of 3 animated event post previews, each one styled and animated based on your content. Hover over any animation to see it in action. If one grabs your attention, just click Save, and it'll be added to your My Videos section for later use. And don't be shy with the button. Click New Instant Hunt as many times as you want. It's like a creative slot machine. With every spin, you get a brand new combo of layouts, animations, and effects. Not feeling the current set? Click again. There are thousands of unique combinations waiting to be discovered. As for me, I'm stopping the spinning right here. This one looks awesome, so I'm clicking on it and ready to see what's next. Once you've selected a preview, you can always edit it further or save it as a template for future event videos. In my case, I'm ready to go, so I clicked the Render to Download button to generate a high-quality, ready-to-share event video with sound and voiceover included. I did the same for the other formats too. Just switch to Portrait and Square, then hit Render to Download for each. It's quick and easy. The rendering process might take a few minutes depending on the length, complexity, and effects. But trust me, the result is worth the wait. By the end, you'll have a fully produced event promo video, perfectly formatted for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and more. RenderLion's multi-format capability makes sure you're ready to publish anywhere your audience lives. And boom, the rendering is complete. Now just click the Download button and your event video is ready to use however you like. Share it, post it, or embed it anywhere. And here's a bonus. RenderLion also provides a full set of thumbnail images for each video size. Use them on your website, emails, or social media to promote your event with style. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to convert your event details into a professional video in just a few clicks with RenderLion. Now it's your turn. Head to RenderLion.com, submit your event info, and promote like a pro. Let your event roar with RenderLion.